In this video, you will learn about the integrated endodontics function of Axano. Prepare for root canal treatment by activating the endo dialog. Manual measurement is automatically activated and remains active until an instrument is taken from the holder. Now take the motor that you wish to use for the endodontics treatment. A number appears behind the endo symbol, indicating the instrument position of the motor intended for treatment. The motor is now reserved for the endodontic treatment. You can return it to the holder again, for example, to open the root canal with another motor. Now select the preferred file system from the favorites in the file database if you have not already done so. To do this, touch the Select File System key or press the button on the right side of the foot control. Touch the name of the respective system. The name of the file system is now displayed in the dialog area of the Smart Touch, along with the symbols of the different files of the system. The parameters of the selected files appear next to the apex distance display. To manage your favorite file systems, go to the File database. You can display all available file systems in the Settings menu. You can easily navigate the list by swiping. Touch the star of the desired file system to select or deselect it. Highlighted file systems are saved in the favorites. Before the actual endodontic treatment, the contra-angle handpiece must first be calibrated to reach the correct torque values. Touch the calibration key, which then begins flashing orange. The motor calibrates for a few seconds. You can tell when this step finishes when no more motor movement is observed, and the calibration key is continuously highlighted orange. Then calibrate your apex locator by briefly bringing the files into contact with the mucosal electrode. When measuring with the apex locator, always wear non-conductive gloves to avoid unwanted leakage current. Then place the mucosal electrode in the patient's mouth. If you know the shape of the root canal, for example from an X-ray, you can set the file parameters accordingly in 3 steps using the root canal complexity key. The colored bar in the apex distance display indicates the measured depth of the root canal. 2 small arrows mark the maximum measured penetration depth. When the bar lights up blue, the tip of the file is near the apical constriction. If it lights up green, the end of the root canal has been reached. A red bar means that the apex was pierced, i.e. over-instrumentation. If you work with C-Vision View, you can also make the apex distance display visible on the patient monitor. In the factory settings, the file stops moving when the maximum torque is reached. However, you can set it to reverse briefly for easier retraction. To do this, activate the auto reverse function in the expanded Endo program. With the apex locator, you can set the motor to stop automatically at a preset distance from the apex. The automatic motor stop is activated in the factory. To change this setting, select the desired apex stop function in the Active Endo screen. The distance to the apical constriction, where the apex stop should take place, can be set with the apex distance key. Please note that this is not an exact metric value.